Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Northwell Tech. So, in this video, we're going to learn how we can cancel an active Instacart membership. So, before we start, if you are here for the first time, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel because we create tech videos almost every day. So, let's start. So, first of all, we have to go to instacart.com, type in instacart.com. All right, and hit enter. All right, so once you are here, you can click on login. Go ahead and click on login to log into your account, and then enter your email address and password. Go ahead and enter your email address and password. All right, so once you enter your email address and password, click on login. All right, so once you have logged in, click on the account drop down. So next to account, there will be a drop down. Click on the drop down next to account. All right, so once you click on the drop down, you will see something which says Instacart Express. So once you click on the drop down, you will see something which says Instacart Express. Click on this. Click on Instacart Express. All right, so once you click on Instacart Express, you will see a screen like this. Now you need to scroll down, keep on going. So it will show you your membership plan. Your current membership plan will be shown here. So as you can see that we have a monthly plan, and it's gonna renew on November 21st. So I would like to cancel it before that. So let me show you how we can cancel it. All right, so once you scroll down to the very bottom, you will see cancel your membership. You will see a field which says cancel your membership, and you have to click on end membership. So go ahead and click on end membership. All right, so once you click on end membership, you will see a screen like this. So it's telling me that I still have 16 days to keep using Express and enjoy unlimited free deliveries. So it is asking me whether I want to keep it for 16 more days or if you want to continue to cancel. So I prefer to cancel it right now because I don't want to forget canceling it before my renewal date, that is November 21st. So I would prefer to cancel it right now. So in this case, I'm going to click on continue to cancel. All right, so once you click on that, you will see a screen like this, which will ask you to confirm your membership cancellation. So it's asking me a reason why I'm leaving it. So for me, I did not use Express enough to justify the cost. So that's basically why I want to cancel it, because I just used it for one time. So it's also telling me that since it's been more than 15 days, I'll no longer be eligible for a refund, but I can still use it till November 21st. Even though I cancel it today, I will still have all the benefits till November 21st, my next billing date, because I was charged $14 already, $14.99 already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on end on November 21st, 2019. All right. So now you can see that my membership plan has been canceled. So that's how you cancel your Instacart membership. All right, thanks guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel because we create tech videos almost every day.